Do you ever feel bloated for no reason? Struggle with low energy, poor sleep, or random skin breakouts? If yes, your gut might be trying to tell you something. Most people don't realize their daily habits are damaging their gut health, silently but steadily. Overusing antibiotics. They're life-saving, yes, but antibiotics kill both bad and good bacteria. Taking them too often wipes out your gut's natural balance. Only use them when prescribed and support recovery with probiotics. Eating too much sugar. High sugar feeds harmful gut bacteria and increases inflammation. If your diet's loaded with sweets or soda, your microbiome suffers. Swap them for fruit, dark chocolate, or honey in moderation. Chronic stress. Stress doesn't just affect your mind, Basal. It impacts your gut too. It weakens digestion, causes bloating, and even affects your immunity. Simple habits like deep breathing or walking daily can help. Low-fiber diet. Your gut bacteria thrive on fiber. When you eat mostly processed foods, you starve the good microbes. Add more whole grains, veggies, legumes, and seeds to your plate. Poor sleep. Your gut follows a rhythm just like your brain. Inconsistent or poor sleep disrupts digestion and microbial balance. Aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep every night. Small changes can lead to a healthier, happier gut and a better you. So if you recognized any of these habits, now's the time to start fixing them. Subscribe to Healthology for more tips that help you feel your best, naturally.